Hello, my fans. You will remember us or your guests. I am Godzilla. You could call me Zilla. We from the team PlayStation All Stars and Team 13. You will remember, won't you? We have a. You remember about Ratchet and Sonic? We got a new two of us. Met Clank. Hang on. Oh, I should drop Clank.
Hello, friends. I am 0456. You could call me Clank. Ratchet just call me Clank, sorry.
And we have, you remember Sonic? It was our friends with Tails.
Hi, everyone. My name is Max Barama. My friends call me Tails. And we're biggest fans of you. Anything about your biggest fans of me.
Okay, Tails, okay. Okay, we're gonna see Cinderella at December 27 on Wednesday. With Wednesday. I forgot his name. Laurie and Craig. We're gonna meet you in Commentary Panto Day. Happy Panto Day! See ya. Don't really be ya. And cut.